You probably clicked on this video wondering how to play drums. Well, I'm going to teach you. It's really simple, and I'm going to teach you in exactly 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right, let's get started. What you want to do first is play the hi-hat pattern. The hi-hat pattern is played 4 times. Let's have a listen to that. Awesome, that's it. So simple. Now, you have to play a kick pattern. Not that kind of kick, no, more of a solid bass drum kick. That's more like it. Right, we have to add that now to the first hi-hat, then let the rest of the hi-hats just play on. Let's have a listen. Smashing. Now, all we have to do to finish this drum beat off, because as I told you, you're going to learn it in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Even your great nan could do it. To finish this drum beat off, all you have to do is add the snare on the 3rd hi-hat. Let's hear how that sounds. Whoa, that's perfect. Now play that in a loop. Well done. I'm going to hear how that sounds next time. We're going to build on this in our next lesson. Like and subscribe. Do it now!